morning from day. This is a 9th day and our rooms are almost luggage is all packed. भाई साहब हमें हेल्प कर रहे हैं नीचे लेके जाने के लिए. So today's plan is to leave to Handar, which is around 130 kilometers, and we are ready. We took our own sweet time to get up this morning. And yesterday night I had a very dear friend of mine who came to see me, which you will see in the story of day 8. So today we have 2 nights stay in Handar. So क्या कहते हैं उसको? हुंडर ही कहते हैं ना. So Sanju went out to see Shanti Stupa and Leh Palace. I did not go because I had a small headache, so I thought I'll just rest. And this was the balcony view what we had, and we had a nice sit out where we chilled yesterday evening till late night. Yes, that's the story for today. बैग सब पैक हो गए, आधे चले भी गए नीचे. चलो, गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रॉम ले. टाइम इज़ नाउ 11:40 और हम निकल चुके हैं अपने नेक्स्ट डेस्टिनेशन हुंडर के लिए. हुंडर और हंडर, एनीथिंग विच इज़ करेक्ट. सो आई जस्ट थॉट आई जस्ट शो यू हाउ द ले सिटी लुक्स. शायद हम सिटी मार्केट से होके नहीं जा रहे हैं, बट इट हैज़ अ गुड बिग क्या कहते हैं उससे, मार्केट. जैसे मॉल रोड होता है ना, वैसे बहुत बड़ा था. काफ़ी सारे फूड जॉइंट्स थे. वी ट्राइड तुपका ऑल्सो कल, लेकिन मुझे कुछ खास पसंद नहीं आया. उससे अच्छा तो मुझे मैगी लगा. सॉरी इफ देयर वाज सम साउंड फ्रॉम द विंड. तो हाँ, तुक्का मैंने खाया, लेकिन मुझे कुछ खास पसंद नहीं है. बहुत ब्लॉन्ड सा लगा, बट या आई हैड टू ट्राई. जैसा देश वैसा भेस. व्हेन यू आर इन रोम बी अ रोमन. सो इसीलिए ट्राई किया मैंने. संजू ने बटर टी ट्राई की, विच इज़ स्पेशलिटी हियर, बट मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल डोंट नो दैट something like that really exists. It's not a sweet, it's kind of, when you say butter it has to be a bit of salty. तो कह रहा था कि अच्छा था. It was not bad and it was not great, but it was good. तो रात को जैसे मैंने कहा, मेरा एक दोस्त आया था. We were a college mates, and it was been a decade since we haven't met. I mean to say more than a decade, 1.5, almost you can say 2 decades we did not meet. तो 1-2 महीने पहले we had a reunion. तो I got to know he is a lieutenant colonel, by the way, posted in Leh. So when I said that my plan is to come to Leh, so he said that we'll meet up, and we kept the commitment. So Handar में we have 2 night stay. So this is going to be our first 2 night stay at one place. Otherwise daily हमारा पैकिंग करो, अनपैक करो, वापस पैक करो, निकलो, वही हो रहा था. So we'll be relaxed. That's why we just took our own sweet time to leave, and it is just 120 kilometers, 127 to be precise. Yeah, now it's showing 120 kilometers. So we should be reaching by 3 o'clock today, if we do not take more breaks. If obviously ये नेचर तो इतना अच्छे नज़ारे दिखा रहा है कि रुकने का मन तो करता ही है, बट still we would want to reach on time. Sanju पीछे रह गया. I'll wait for him, then catch you guys later. ये रास्ता कहीं से तो लेके एकदम पतली गलियों से लेके निकल रहा है मैं. बस सही ले जाए, क्योंकि यहाँ पे कोई गाड़ियों का आगन मगन भी नहीं है। आई होप यू आर ऑन द राइट वे। अरे हम वापस घूम के वहीं आ गए भाई। अरे हमको ये गोल गोल घुमा रहा है यार, क्या कर रहा है? कौन है ये? ऐसे खड़ा करके गया है गाड़ी, वापस वही लेके गया भाई ये। वो त्रिदेव कहाँ गए जो हिमालयन पे जा रहे थे? कहाँ है राइट? यहाँ पे? अच्छा यहाँ पे राइट है। अच्छा कहाँ रह गए संजू? संजू बाप रे। So the roads have turned smooth and you're now are around 110 kilometers. The patch was really bad, so I switched off my camera. It's just 10% or 5% where my camera rolls to shoot the videos. Otherwise it's going to be boring and it's going to be very, you know, the roads are same but beautiful. You would enjoy that. Here are some set of, चलो संजू आगे चलते हैं. So some set of riders going towards, yeah, अच्छा हुआ. So these set of riders, they'll have some designated halts. देखते हैं ना इतने लोग रुके हैं तो. थोड़ा सा आगे जाना. हाँ बस है. शो मर रहा है लड़कियों के सामने. So we stopped here for a view. These, you know, what do you call these one-liners are just superb by VRO. VRO is Border Road Organization. Drive slow, it's a highway, not a runway. Look at this amazing view. I just wanted to capture the site. Our Indian Army. This is the Indian Army movement from one place to another place. So we feel very proud about it, right? It's something we can't even imagine. See, when we see a normal truck, right? We understand that this is, you know, a B2B scenario or B2C scenario where the goods are going to some place for us to consume. But you never understand why these moments are happening. So जैसे मेरा दोस्त कल आया था मुझे मिलने के लिए. He has been, you know, deployed in Leh. He is a lieutenant colonel. तो ये देखो सैल्यूट है. तो he was telling me things like why the movements are. I mean to say, he just told me how much I am supposed to know. You know, there are many things there. Army is all about, you can't, वो ढिंडोरा नहीं पिटते कि ये करेंगे हम, ये मतलब ये करने वाले हैं आज हम सुबह उठ के. दे आर नॉट इन्फ्लुएंसर्स और व्लॉगर्स टू बताओ सबको कि क्या चल रहा है अपनी लाइफ में एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स. दे आर वेरी सीक्रेटिव एंड दैट्स पार्ट ऑफ देयर स्कोप ऑफ वर्क. So he was telling that this army movements are very necessary because the line of control is very close to China, and from both the parties, like from China and India, they keep a close eye on who is being, क्या मूवमेंट हो रहा है इंडियन आर्मी का, या हम देखते हैं कि क्या मूवमेंट हो रहा है चाइनीज़ आर्मी का. जैसे ही अगर यहाँ से थोड़ी से हट जाए इंडियन आर्मी तो दे स्टार्ट getting into our soil, which has happened in the past. So that's where the heroes come in place. I don't want to talk too much about it because we don't even, we can't even comment, we can't even imagine, we can't even realize how difficult the job is. In fact, when my friend had come to meet me, he had to take special permissions to go out because they just can't go out. मेरा दोस्त आ रहा है, मुझे मिलने जा रहा है. You have to inform them well in advance, and you need to tell them the time. And he was been escorted by a junior of him. Even they need to track him, where is he going and why is he going. ये देखो, it is such a beautiful sight, man. Look at the amount of army trucks making their movements. I just wanted to capture this, so I thought I'll roll my camera and tell you some piece of information what my friend passed to me. जितना ही इन्फॉर्मेशन हमें ज़रूरत थी उतना ही इन्फॉर्मेशन बताया उसने. चलो गाइस, सी यू. लेकिन इस बात पे तो बनती है भाई, भारत माता की जय. जय जवान एंड जय किसान. राइट नाउ वी आर इन मिडस्ट ऑफ द कारवां ऑफ जवान्स. We have reached some part of the snow. Look at the mountain there. The roads are really bad. Need to be very precise. My God, this is nice. Let me show you the fully covered mountains. Easy, the tire slips off because these are road specific tires, not meant for off-roading. And guys, here you go, look at that snow field, just looking like a huge cone of ice cream. Chocobar and full plain vanilla. सही देखा है भाई. And trust me, it's very cold here. It's very cold. The chills are seeping into my gloves now. But I like it. I like chill weather. ठंडी जितनी भी हो मुझसे सहन हो जाएगी, गर्मी नहीं सहन होती. Look at this roads, बाप रे. One wrong gear when your bike can't take it, and if it gets switched off, Nothing you can do. The bike has to come down either at the left side or the right side, depending upon where my weight is. Chalo, see you. Look at this, and I am lucky at the third time. Should I tell you why? Can you see this? There's a snowfall. Look at this. The snowfall which has started. Let me show you. Yeah. Can you see this? The snowfall. It was just falling, yeah. Look at this canyon. The snowfall. See? The snowfall is going to start now. Look at this. Let me touch it once. Can't be more happy than this. Lovely. Let me just shoot it with the bike. Yeah, nice. This is me and this is Sanju.
Yes.
We have made it to the Khardungla. And with a heavy snowfall, we just experienced snowfall and
surprise.
complete
First
surprise.
time riding bike during snowfall.
I got lucky for the third time. And this is how it is. Let me show you खारदुंगला का जो फोटो पॉइंट, ये देखिए, ये रहा. This is the mighty Khardungla. I've inverted the cameras so that I can see it, but we will take the pictures now. And it's really cold. Really cold. I can't feel my hands. I can't feel my handlebar when I'm wearing the gloves and holding my handlebar of the motorcycle. It's lovely. मज़ा आ रहा है. लेकिन we have to be extra conscious also. We have to ride all the way. संजू कैसे लग रहा है? संजू को आइस पैक की जरूरत नहीं है अभी. हॉट पैक की जरूरत है. हॉट पैक. चलो guys, see you on the road. And we have descended down the Khardungla Pass. You can see that. उसके पीछे जो बहुत बड़ा सा पहाड़ है, that is Khardungla Pass. और वहाँ से हम घूमते हुए उस चोटी से डिसेंड करते हुए यहाँ पे पहुँचे. There is an army base here and this place is called as North Pillu. Or just opposite to this base is a small shop, and there are many other big shops, small shops. तो हमने सोचा यहाँ पे थोड़ा कुछ खा लेते हैं. And it's what, 2:30. So we just batted some momos and now some fried rice. And while we do that, we are also doing some edits. यहाँ से कितना, 75 kilometers ना? 75 kilometers. We'll go relax, and we are saved today from unpacking and packing again tomorrow, because we are staying there tonight and tomorrow night as well. And after that we are heading to Hanle ना? Hanle भी जाएंगे. Hanle वो बैक, क्या डबल बैक, कौन सा, क्या कहते हैं उसे? डबल हम कैमल. कहाँ पे? नुब्रा जा रहे हैं हम. डबल हम कैमल पे सवारी करना है संजू को. तो संजू को कैमल पे बिठा के खुश करेंगे. See you. So we have a problem. My bike is not moving after I tried to extract the bike out of the sand, applying a lot of gear pressure. If it is only about the clutch settings, then we are good. But if it is about the clutch plate, and if the clutch plate is burnt, then we are in trouble. But the good thing is we are in Hunter for tonight and tomorrow night. So my friend is trying to call help. I called my mechanic and he advised me something which that did not work. But I have taken a help from someone, and there is no mechanic in Hunter. It's a lonely place to be. But the good thing is our hotel room is just 2 kilometers away from here. We have asked them to send a vehicle so that we can unload our luggage and send it to the hotel, and then we'll try to fix this. At the worst case, this has to be got done from Leh, which is around 50 kilometers, and 50 kilometers is not a small deal here. But we'll get it fixed, and hopefully we'll get rolling day after tomorrow. Guys, chalo.